In this video, we are going to see how we can stop the Facebook from automatically translating your post into any other language that you don't want it to. So what you can do is just click on the profile icon on the top right hand corner and click on the settings and privacy, and again click on settings. And on the left hand side, we can select the preferences, and under the preferences, we have the language and region. Go ahead and click on that. And from here, under the post from friends and pages, you see this option that says languages you don't want to be offered translations for, or languages you don't want automatically translated. Let's select this one, and you can add any language that you don't want to be translated. So basically, whatever you check mark, it will not offer that language to be translated in. Click on save button, and that is all we have to do. So that's about it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.